Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can customize your Android mobile phone, especially on how to customize Samsung Galaxy phone. Okay, let's get into it. Here I have opened my phone, and as you can see that I'm using the default theme, so it looks kind of boring. And if we want to customize it, the first thing we're going to do is customizing our wallpaper. For example, I'm going to apply a static wallpaper to this phone. And if we want to apply it, we can tap and hold on any empty area on our home screen. Then we can go to the wallpaper and style and click on change wallpaper. And then you can choose wallpaper from your gallery, or you can also access the wallpaper from the Galaxy themes if you are Samsung users. And those are the wallpapers I have downloaded from the Galaxy theme. If once you get more wallpaper, we just need to click on Galaxy themes, and then we can click on get more wallpapers. And as you can see guys, here we can access a lot of wallpapers that we like. If we want to search for the wallpaper, we can click on the search button. And for instance, I'm going to search for the forest wallpaper. Okay, just wait for a moment guys. And if we want to get the free wallpaper, we can filter it. We can go to popular, then select top free. Okay, and I'm just going to select this one guys. We can click on the wallpaper that we want to apply. Then we have to download it first. Click on download, and you just need to wait until the wallpaper has been downloaded. Then you will be able to apply the wallpaper to your phone. Okay, and here we have to choose where to apply. We can either apply it to lock screen or home screen, or we can also apply the wallpaper to both of them. And for instance, I'm going to apply the wallpaper to my lock screen and home screen, so I'm going to click on next, then click on done. This is the preview guys. Actually, before you click on done, you can customize the lock screen. So this is how my lock screen looks like. We can customize the clock style, and then also the font like this guys. And I'm just going to use this one for instance, and I'm going to place it right here. Once we're done, we just need to click on done. Okay, and now the wallpaper has been changed, and I'm going to check it. Okay, this is how it looks. And the second one, to make my phone looks more aesthetic, I'm going to change the app's icon. We can go to the settings again, then we can just go to the Galaxy themes. You can click on this themes, and then you can go to the icons right here. And then I'm just going to search for the aesthetic icon. Okay, and here are some results I can apply to my phone. For example guys, I'm gonna go with this one. And then we just need to click on download. Then after the icon has been downloaded, as I told you before, we can click on apply. Okay, and this is the final looks. Then you can do it by yourself. You can customize your phone according to your style. Alright guys, and that's how we can customize our phone, especially on a Samsung Galaxy phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.